Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix Snapchat device ban instantly. So the very first thing you should do here is you have to go to your Play Store if you're using Android or App Store if you're using iPhone, and then you have to search for Snapchat and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. So if you see update button right here, you just have to click update and then wait. After that, click open. Next thing to do is you have to go to your phone settings and look for VPN. If you can search it, then you can go to other settings, scroll down and look for VPN. As long as you see or search for VPN, you have to make sure that you are not connected to VPN. The third step here is you have to go to any web browser. And then this time you have to look for Snapchat support. So press enter or tap the search bar. And then here you have to click this Snapchat support. So here are the things that you can do. If you can't access your account, then you can just simply go to Snapchat support and it will take you directly to this. So here there is a search bar. You can search directly your concern, but you could also tap this my account is compromised since our tutorial is about fix your bad device. So here, what you're going to do once you are on this page is you can simply scroll down and you have to make sure that you have tap or you have tick the exact concern or problem that you have. For example, this one, I can't access my account and I think my account was compromised. Okay. Or you can also scroll down here to follow instructions on how to fix this one. You could also go and search for unlock or fix device ban, but unfortunately, if you can't see any solution, for example, if you can tap this, my Snapchat account is locked, and then you can see your instructions, but you cannot follow, then I suggest that you submit a request in order for you to fix this device ban. So as you can see here, once I tap this and then, I could just follow the instructions right here. But if this method didn't work, then you can just simply submit. For example, you just have to click this username. Okay, so tap or type your username here and then add your email address. You have to add your mobile and then add descriptions. For example, please help me to um, fix my device or fix this device ban on Snapchat. So you can add more details if you want to. And then after that, click submit. And all you have to do is to wait for the service team or customer service agent to respond and help you with this matter. You just have to follow the instruction and that's it. So that's how you easily fix Snapchat device ban instantly. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.